Hi everyone. Today we will show you how to create a gradient button in Gohighlevel. Adding a gradient effect to buttons can make calls to action more visually appealing and help them stand out on our funnels and websites. Let's get started. On our Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to our sites. Once we are in the Site section, we click this. We choose which website we want to edit. Now we click Edit. We go to the section we want to update. Then we click Edit again. We wait for the page to load. Once we are in the editing section, we add some buttons. We click this Add Elements and then Buttons. We select the button we want to edit. For example, the red one. We double-click it to customize. In this section, we go to Styles and then to CSS Selector. This is where we paste our sample CSS code for the gradient effect. If we already have the linear gradient effect code, we paste it here. Then we click Save and the effect will appear on our button. There is another option to make the button gradient manually. We click some styles or animations. We can also add an animation, such as a glowing effect on the bottom part. We will see the button glowing. We can change the colors and styles. Let's make the button smaller. As we can see, it is glowing. We can change the color to blue to make it more obvious, or use other colors like green. We can see the button stands out, similar to a gradient effect. However, if we want a real gradient, we just paste the CSS code into the CSS selector, then click Save. With the right color combination and styling, we can create eye-catching buttons that boost engagement and conversions.